The country's unemployment rate was at 32.9% in the first quarter. Young people are the most affected, with those aged up to 34 who are not employed or in any form of training standing at 44.7%. The most job losses in the first quarter were in the private household sector, followed by mining, trade and construction. With the continued structural challenges the economy faces, it's expected that there would have not been much improvement in job creation in the second quarter.
Employment will grow in the same measure as the economy is growing. So like now, I think we need to start by focusing in getting the drivers for the economic growth to be positive. And I mean, it will really need to be above 3% for us to start thinking about jobs. And then if the economy is growing with less than 1%, I don't think we are at the stage to be having hopes and expectations of our labor statistics.
COSATU says it fears the difficulties the economy has to contend with will continue to have a negative impact on job creation prospects.
The economy is still extremely fragile, battling to recover from COVID-19, dealing with the huge problems of load shedding, of cable theft, of deteriorating SOEs and public services, high levels of corruption. It is estimated that the crisis affecting electricity in Eskom, and as well as the crisis affecting Transnet and the ports and PRASA, Metro Rail, have possibly shaved off about 2% from the economic growth projection for this year, and possibly have cost the economy about 780,000 new jobs. It is also projected and feared that this might cost the state fiscus additional 90 billion rand, which is badly needed to fund public services, to pay workers' salaries, to provide social security for the poor and unemployed. So we are extremely fearful what might happen.
Stats SA data shows unemployment is higher amongst those with lower educational qualifications. Unemployment is at almost 50% amongst those without matric and a little less at 40% amongst those with matric. Unemployment is at 7.5% amongst those with tertiary education and at 2.7% amongst graduates. Gloria Sefako Mosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.